Hey, it's Anissa. I have a really fun toy for your pet. This is the interactive cat toy. Now, while it's made for cats, we found small dogs love it too. I don't have a cat anymore, but my nephew has a cute little cavapoo named Winnie, and she absolutely loves this. In fact, she's obsessed with it. But this toy is great because, like I said, it's interactive. It's got a rechargeable battery, so the fun never ends. Now let me explain how this works. When you turn it on, the lights are gonna start flashing, and then you're gonna hear some bird chirps. Now what I love is it's got random patterns, so it keeps your cat or small dog fully engaged. It's got 3 different modes that's indicated by the light. Blue is fast mode, purple is slow, and then yellow is interactive. It will sit there, then when your pet hits it, it comes to life, and that keeps them super interested in this. An added benefit, no matter what mode you're on, if it's not being used, it has an automatic shut-off to save battery life. Now here's a thing that I personally love. My cat used to play with cat toys, and he'd always hit them under the couch. I'd have to get down on my hands and knees, which is getting harder as I'm getting older, and try to retrieve it. This will automatically come back out from under the couch. You're gonna love that feature. Now, while this is made for cats, as we've shown you, small dogs love it too. Now, we do recommend that you supervise the dogs when they're playing with it, because you don't want them clamping down on it and breaking the plastic. Now, while we're showing you the blue one, it does come in random colors and there's no choice available, but your pet won't mind. The best thing about this is our super low price. Now, these won't last long, so make sure you head on over the site and buy 1 or 2 today.